I'm so excited. So I got this. I love cooking. I've been cooking lately, and I decided to make my life easier. So I bought a food processor, and I got this one. And it actually has. It came with two bowls. They have the glass one, and the glass one is actually very thick. I'm very surprised. It's really nice. And it also came with a stainless steel one. This is 8 cups, and it also came with two coaster, so you can put it at the bottom so it doesn't slide when you use it. And also it came with two of these bi-level blades. So here's the first one, and then this, and the blades has a knife protector, which is nice. So it came with two blades, two bowls, which is 8 cups, two blades, and it also came with this brush for easy cleaning. And where is the, it came with a plastic knife. I have it in there, but I'll show you guys. And we're going to test it, okay? But it's so easy. This is 450 watts, which is really nice because it gives you good power when, especially when you're grinding meat. And I'm gonna make lumpia Shanghai. It's a Filipino appetizer, so I'm gonna make that, and I'm gonna need this to grind my chicken. So it's so easy to use. You just have to put the blade in there, the cover, and then put the top. The top is a little tricky to put in. Oh, there you go. That's it. That's it. And it has a top in there. There's one. This one is if you want it to be slow speed, and this is if you want it to be with more speed. So we are going to test it, okay? So I'm gonna bring you guys. Oh, okay. I'm gonna bring you guys there so we can grind some chicken. And yeah. So okay. I did some already, but I wanted to show you guys. Okay, is that good? Alright, so like I said, so easy. Just put the blade, put all your meat in there. Oh, put the cover and the top. And since this is chicken, so it's a little harder compared to vegetables, I'm gonna use the two, the second one. It's harder. Oh, that's so fast. Look at that, guys. Oh, so fast. And look, it's all done. Oh my god, instead of me like taking forever cutting the meat. And it's so easy. I know this is the knife that I was talking to. It was like a plastic spatula. That's it. It's so easy. I love like how like heavy duty this glass is too. Alright, how about let's do some vegetable. Let's do some carrots. I want some carrots in there. Let's do some carrots. Perfect. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this purchase. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's awesome. I highly recommend this food processor. I have it on the link. Thank you. I love it. That's it. Thank you, guys. I hope you'll like it too. But yeah, it's awesome. The best thing about it is it came with two bowls, and the bowls is actually, it's pretty big. It's an 8 cup, so it's pretty big. And you can, because some food processors are really small, so you can't really put too much in it. But this one you can put a lot, and yeah, I'm so impressed. I'm so happy with this. So if you're looking for a food processor, get this. I highly recommend it. Thank you.